Hi everybody, me again. Just wanted to do a quick video on finding a Raspberry Pi. If, like me and millions of other people around the world, you've not been able to find a Raspberry Pi for sale anywhere at a reasonable price over the last couple of years, then that's been incredibly frustrating. I found this website here, rpilocator.com. And that has really helped me find suppliers that have got the model of Raspberry Pi in stock that I've been looking for. And I guess over the last few months, I have managed to get two. So it has been a real help. And there's a number of things that this website can do that really help. So over here on the left, you've got an auto refresh setting button. So you can go to this web page, leave it open in the background, and it will auto refresh based on your preferences, and you can also click alert sound. So as soon as one becomes available, you'll get an audible noise. You can flip back into this web page and find out who's got it and where. There's also some filtering that you can do. So up here on the top menu on devices, you can see you can filter by the compute module 3 and 4, the Raspberry Pi 3 and 4, Pi 0, or you can just select all. Also regions, so you can select the country you're in. So for me, the UK, I can select that. And then vendors, so you can select an individual vendor that you want to buy from. I normally in the UK get it from the Raspberry Pi Hut or Pimoroni, Rapid or Farnell. So if I was to select the Pi Hut here, for example, so this now page will be just sitting, running in the background. It'll be auto refreshing, and it will pop up with an audible alert as soon as that Raspberry Pi comes into stock. This is brilliant, and the good thing is, because it's coming from the pre-approved suppliers, you'll get them at the proper retail price, not the over-inflated prices that those scumbags on eBay and Amazon and all the other places that are selling them for 3 and 4 times. I even saw one at 5 times the retail price. I mean, that's just awful. I'd never pay for that. I would always wait for them to come out. Hopefully all the silicon component items will all become more available as the months go on. I think there's some early signs that will start to be happening. So hopefully we can all carry on with our Raspberry Pi based projects soon. Anyway, I hope that helps. If there are other things or other ways of finding out when Raspberry Pis are available, let us know in the comments below. If this is helpful, please consider subscribing to the video or even hitting that notification bell so you know when one of my videos drop. Okay, I shall see you in the next video.